Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Remove the 2 torque screws securing the bottom panel to the glove box assembly. Remove them using a T20 torque screwdriver. Remove the bottom panel from the glove box assembly. Note the side teeth tabs. Pull the kick panel slightly to remove the bottom panel. Remove the Torx bolts securing the filter housing cover. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1065 filter into the housing. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the Torx bolts. Reinstall the bottom panel. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits. Reinstall the bottom screws. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.